ब्रिटिश पाकिस्तानी बच्चे बनी यामीन जो इस वक्त सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो चुके हैं। एक महीने में इन्होंने 3 लाख पाउंड्स कमाए। पाकिस्तानी रुपीस में 7 करोड़ रुपए बनते हैं। इस 12 साल बच्चे ने ये 7 करोड़ रुपए एक महीने में कैसे कमाए, आइए इन्हीं से जानते हैं।
उर्दू पॉइंट की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियोस से बाखबर रह सकें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, उर्दू पॉइंट के साथ मैं हूं अतर अब्बासी। नाज़रीन, आज हम मौजूद हैं नॉर्थ लंदन में एक ब्रिटिश पाकिस्तानी बच्चे बनी यामीन के साथ जो इस वक्त सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो चुके हैं। एक महीने में इन्होंने 3 लाख पाउंड्स कमाए। वो कैसे कमाए अभी हम इनसे जानेंगे।
So hello, my name is Benjamin Ahmed. I live in London, UK, and I'm 12 years old. And recently this year I got into NFTs. So an NFT stands for a non-fungible token. So everybody understands the non and the token parts, but they struggle on the definition of fungible. So fungible means an item can be replaceable. So if I give you £10 and ask for it back in 2 weeks, you can give me any £10 back because it's replaceable. However, with an NFT, if I give you an NFT and ask for it back in 2 weeks, you have to give me that exact NFT back. So the reasons why NFTs have grown in popularity over the last few months is because the ownership of an NFT can easily be verified via the blockchain, which is basically like a giant Excel spreadsheet, and every transaction is getting recorded.
Why you only choose this whale artwork? Why didn't you choose something else? So what's the reason behind choosing this whale?
So in cryptocurrency, a whale is someone who has 1,000 bitcoins, which is a lot of money. So I chose the whale because then I could go with the catchline that everyone who owns a whale is a whale.
Okay, so you have earned 300,000 pounds and you don't have any bank account. So where are you storing this money?
So I'm storing the money in a digital wallet and I'm keeping it in Ethereum, as I've already doubled my money from what I got at the beginning because Ethereum's price has been going up in value.
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने जो पैसे कमाए वो इन्होंने इथेरियम में सेव किए और इथेरियम की प्राइस डबल होने की वजह से इनके जो कमाई थी वो भी डबल हो गई। तो इथेरियम जैसा कि इस वक्त ऐसे लग रहा है कि एक अच्छा कॉइन है जिसके अंदर इन्वेस्ट किया जा सकता है। सो बनी यामीन, कैन यू टेल अस दैट व्हाट आर योर अदर हॉबीज़, बिकॉज इन दिस एज किड्स आर प्लेइंग गेम्स, PUBG, Xbox, PlayStation 5. Why you didn't choose all these kind of games and you have chosen this work?
So I still play games. I'd probably say I play games more than I actually work. I play a lot of Minecraft with my friends, and my other hobbies are swimming and taekwondo. I do taekwondo every Friday, and unfortunately because of COVID-19 I'm not able to do swimming.
So tell us more about how did you learn all this work? What's your dad's input in it, and did you learn it from your internet or do your dad have some work in it as well?
So my dad is a computer programmer and would often come home, bring out his laptop and start coding. So my brother and I would sniff around and see what he was doing, and when we were 5 years old he set us up with a few old laptops and we started coding. It was originally just a small fun learning experience, but then we enjoyed it so much we did it every day consistently for a few years and we've become really good at it. And recently this year I got into NFTs because my dad's friend bought an NFT called a Rare Pepe for $27,000 and I instantly became fascinated.
What are your future plans? What are you going to do with this money, and are you going to do some more projects on it?
So I don't want to be a one-hit wonder. I don't want to be known as the Weird Wells kid for the rest of my life. So in the meantime I'm working on a few small other NFT collections. However, long term I want to do an infrastructure business with my brother.
नाज़रीन, ये थे बनी यामीन जो इस वक्त सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो चुके हैं। पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन करें, एक ब्रिटिश पाकिस्तानी बच्चा है। उम्मीद है आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद वीडियोज़ के लिए देखते रहिए उर्दू पॉइंट।